Guys, it's Ivy, and it's time for Dollar General's ad preview for the week of 8/2 to 8/8. Guys, it's already August. It's time for autumn Halloween. Okay, right here, let's start right up in this corner, guys. And I always tell you guys to pay attention when they have sodas on sale. Now, today is the last day for the buy 5, get 5, 2 liters. So if you could take advantage of that, do that. Right here, you have the 3 for $16 on the Mountain Dew and Pepsi with a $1 coupon, making them 3 for $15. Then the Dasani water, they still have that going on. So that coupon is going to be new at this point. It should be. And making that 24-pack of water $3.75. Then you have the 6-pack of Pepsi Mountain Dew, 3 for $14. Now, we do have that 4 for $12 going on now. It ends on Saturday, this Saturday. Then you have the 3 for $15 on the Canada Dry, A&W, and Dr. Pepper. But right here, we have a buy one, get one free on Fanta, Mellow Yellow, and Barks Root Beer. So if that's your favorite, there you go right there. Now on to the laundry products. You have a spend 30, save 5, along with $3 coupons on Gain, $2 coupons on Gains, and a $1 coupon on Gain. Now you all know those are digital Dollar General coupons, so they will not stack with that spend 30, save 5. Down at the bottom, school days, and my kids go back to school, guys, on the 19th of this month. So we are well into school. The 2-pocket notebook folders are 3 for $1, 50 cents on the 1 subjects, and then the filler paper is 50 cents, and then it's save 50 cents on the Office Hub. Now, you know the binders was buy one, get one free, right? Today, it ends on Saturday. Now you have the Fritos, buy 2, get 1 free. Now, if you want to do that early activation, you can. Early activation is on Saturdays after 7 p.m. at most of the Dollar General. The Takis is 2 for $6. Then you come right here, guys, 4 for $8 on the General Mills cereal. We usually like that deal. And then they included in here this time Nature Valley. So that's a good one. They're getting ready for school to come back. That's why. 2 for $12 on the Donut Shop coffees. They gave us a $1.40 coupon off on the Sparkle paper towel, 4 count, and 50 cents off on the Angel Soft, which makes it $3.75 on a 4-pack. Now, up here we have a $2 on the Pepsi, 2 for $2 on the 1.5 liters. Then when we come right here to the food, guys, you have that $1.95 on Brown and Sir. Buy 2 Eggo waffles, get 1 free. That's not a bad deal. 2 for $7 on the Hostess. 2 for $5 on the Oikos shakes. That is the chocolate salted. Oh, okay, the protein shakes. Buy one, get one 50% on Maxwell House. Then we're going to come right down here to the lunch boxes. They have the Dollar Lunchables. 2 for $5 on the Fruit Gushers. And then the 5 for $5 on the Mott's Hawaiian Punch and Yahoo. Those 3-packs drinks. So you get 5 of the 3-pack drinks for $5. If you need that, if you got little ones, I think that's a good deal. My boys pretty much don't drink these, so I moved on to kind of like the big box stuff for them. Then candy is buy one, get one free. You know, I don't really go too deep into the candy because it just comes around. Now, you also have right over here, the Campbell's soup is $1, the Kitchen Classics, which are good, guys. I didn't realize just how good they are, but they are awesome. And when we look over here, we have the spend 15, save 5 instantly on any of the Suavitel Completes. You have Irish Spring Fabuloso. There's that new Fabuloso. And then you have Ajax. Now, hopefully we're going to start getting coupons for these, especially that Fabuloso. I want to try that, but I want a coupon for it. Now, you also have the spend 8, save 2 on any Caress chapstick, Noxzema Ponds, anything Q-tips, St. Ives, and Suave products. So that's another good deal. Hopefully they gave us a coupon. Now, when we come down here, we have the Axe Body Wash. Buy 2, save 2. I don't know how much of a good deal that is. Save $3.50 on any buy when you buy 2 of the Irish Springs and Salt Soap. Now, that might be a better deal because they usually get us at about $5.15 to $5.65 for each one of those. Then you have the $4 off 2 on Colgate, which we do look forward to these coupons because they make good deals, especially going back to school, guys. Don't forget about them kids. They're going back. 2 for $2 on the band-aids, the Poise pads are $2.50. Then over here, oh, what is, wait, let me look. Say $3 when you buy 2 of the Always pads. Scan, because sometimes that coupon work for what you want it to work for. All right. And then down here, we're going to go into some detergents. The Downy, they gave us a $1 coupon, a $2 Tide coupon. Then, you know, ending tonight, Tide is 2 for $5 on Saturday. It ends this Saturday, though, 8/1, okay? Then you have a save $2 on the Purex. That's the new bottle. I like that bottle. You got a $3 off on the Suavitel, which is the $8 one. Then you also have dollars on Lysol, has deals coming out. Because of school, Lysol has a lot of deals coming out, guys, okay? Trash bags, $9.75. They took $1 off. Love's 2 for $12. They have a $2 coupon. And then down here, we have another instant. Spend 15, save 3 on the Scott Comfort bath tissue or paper towel. So you can mix and match those. That's what we want. On the back, you got $1 on the Primes, 3 for $3 on Body Armor, 2 for $13 on the Gatorade. And Gatorade have been giving us a coupon. So if you want to try that, that will be awesome right there. Then you have a $2 off on the Persil with another instant. Spend 20, save 5. That's 4 instances. 5 instances we've already ran into. So pay attention to those instances. Those usually have some good deals. Then you have $2 off on Dawn. Do $2 off on the Power Spray. Right here, save $2 on Arm & Hammer products. This deal has been going on. If you haven't used your coupons, then it's still some good. Here, I like this deal, 2 for $7 on the Extra. That is a good deal. If you can, guys, grab that. It's nice, especially if you are stocking or you're a newbie. All right. For Breeze, they gave us a $3 on the double pack of the small spaces. And then they gave us a $3 on that kit. Now, you know, you guys notice they don't offer the warmer anymore. They offer the $3 off on the entire kit. Right here. Instantly save $6 when you buy 2 of the back to school gift cards. So I was looking at that, and it looks like my son will probably need that Google Play. And I believe he'll need the Subway card. So I kind of like stock up on what he needs. I'm going to probably get him 2 Subway cards, okay? It doesn't have a limit, but we will see. I think that Subway card, you got to at least spend $15. Maybe that's $20 on there. And then earn $8 cash when you buy these 3 cards. $2 back on the Energizer. And then they have prepaid phones on sale, guys. Of all, I think it's a good deal sale if you need the products. Back to school, cereal, those type of things, those are good deals. If you are new, if you do not need anything out of Dollar General, don't buy anything. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share Ivy's Coupon Camp because we don't gatekeep. Bye.